The year is 1929. Banana market is at an all-time high. American monkeys feel rich, buying everything they can get their hands on. New monkey technologies appear and new jobs are created. Life feels good for the first time in years. Monkey president says we're closer to defeating poverty than ever before. A few days later, bananas collapse. Millions of monkeys lose their jobs overnight. Monkey factories shut down. The world panics. So what went wrong? Let's go back. After the Great Monkey War, America becomes the strongest. Monkey nation. Factories grow fast. Bananas become cheap. Monkeys start buying everything: radios, cars, refrigerators. Bananas. Monkey banks make borrowing easy. Buy now, pay later. Even working monkeys borrow leaves to buy bananas. 10 leaves today, 90 leaves later. It's fine, monkeys say. Bananas only go up. But here's the problem. Most monkeys aren't rich. They're borrowing. Companies borrow. Banks borrow. Everyone borrows. The banana market rises, but real income doesn't. Profits slowed down. Wages stop growing. Debt keeps rising. Still, the banana market keeps climbing. The monkey government gets nervous. Interest rates go up. Borrowing becomes harder. Monkeys start to panic. What if bananas fall? Some monkeys start selling. Then it happens. One bad day, then another. Then chaos. Millions of bananas are sold. Prices collapse. Banks fail. Companies fail. Monkeys who borrowed lose everything. Monkeys who saved still lose their jobs. 1 in 4 monkeys becomes unemployed. The lesson is simple. This isn't just about bananas or stocks. When prices rise faster than reality, crashes are inevitable. It's about understanding how money works, because when you understand that, you won't be surprised by the next crash. You might even survive it.